Welcome to this Innotech product spotlight, where we will be highlighting Innotech's innSIGHT web server. innSIGHT is a supervisory web server that allows quick and easy access to view, adjust and monitor controller data from all Maxim and Genesis series controllers connected to your Innotech RS485 network. innSIGHT's simplicity ensures that even non-technical personnel have the ability to monitor and control their BMS from any locations with access to innSIGHT. We will begin the session by logging into innSIGHT's embedded web interface. If this is the first time that you are connecting to innSIGHT, the embedded web page will download to your local computer. Once complete, the web interface is displayed at the login screen. innSIGHT is configured with 3 user access levels: the view-only account, which does not require any passwords for access; general admin, which allows the operator to modify various settings and customizable fields; and engineering, which provides the operator with full access to modify all parameters. We will log in as the engineer and demonstrate some of the new features and new additions to this release of innSIGHT. Once logged in, innSIGHT presents the operator with a graphical icon view of the connected network. Each type of controller can be distinguished by the colour shading around the icon. If a controller is unsupported, such as the IGO3 shown here, the icons provide this indication. Clicking the List View button changes the view to reflect the network as a list. The list can be arranged by clicking the headings in the title bar of the list view. This can be sorted by type, version, alarm status, name, or address. Clicking the Support tab provides useful information for common procedures, such as the icon types and states, modifying schedules and other settings. In Icon View, we have several tools available to assist the operator, especially when viewing larger networks. The Zoom slider and Quick Zoom buttons can help display larger networks, or simply to zoom in on your network. Clicking the Zoom to Fit button displays a network in the current view. Clicking the 100% View button resets the view back to default. Each controller icon now indicates if the controller has schedules or active alarms. The alarm status is also indicated in List View. As you can see, we have an alarm present on Level 1 AC controller. To view a controller in more detail, simply click the icon. The controller data window displays each watch page programmed and also has available the alarms and log data tabs. To view the alarm information, click on the Alarms tab. As indicated, any current alarms are clearly visible. If the alarm resets, the time and date is indicated in this panel. Each watch available on the controller can be viewed and adjusted as required. Adjustable parameters have spinners next to the value. To adjust a value, either click the spinners or scrub the input field to enter a value and then press enter to write the changes. While you're in the current watch page, we can run a live monitor session for the current watch list by clicking the Monitor Flyout button. Select any point trends to begin a live session. The chart window can be zoomed in and out or panned using the mouse buttons and scroll wheel. You can also use the sliders and zoom to default view button. Several options are available during the monitor session via the charting toolbar. Clicking the pause button pauses the monitoring session. We can print the current graph by clicking the print icon. To view values more clearly, click the crosshair icon. The X and Y axis displays the time, date and value where the crosshairs intersect. Clicking the point indicator icon places a unique point on each trend line. This is especially useful when printing to a monochrome printer. Annotations can be placed within the graph to provide brief notes for the operator to share with others. These are also printed. Any unwanted annotations can be easily removed. Clicking the retract button on the left of the monitor screen pauses the monitor and returns to the watch page data screen to make any adjustments. Clicking the monitor button resumes the monitor session. To view and adjust schedules programmed for the selected controller, click the Schedules tab. Depending on the available schedules, you can select between daily, weekly and yearly schedules. To modify a schedule, simply right-click on an occupied day or click and drag an unoccupied area. Make any adjustments and then click the OK button. Once you have modified the schedule, clicking the Close button will advise you to write the changes to the controller. If you click Yes, the changes are committed to the controller. Clicking No discards any changes and returns to the network view. Viewing log data stored on the controller is available by clicking the Log Data tab. Simply select the required logs or click the Select All Logs checkbox. Set the required extraction time period and then click the Extract button. Clicking the Extract Entire History checkbox extracts all log data stored on the controller. The log data window can display up to 5 logs. If more are available, deselect one to make others available. As in the monitor session, we have tools available and the same zoom and pan options, with the addition of the Extract to CSV button. Clicking this button allows the selected log data to be saved locally as a CSV document. Also available is the print icon and crosshairs icon. Annotations can also be added as required. Clicking the Show Selection window allows you to make any changes to the selected logs or extract new log data. Clicking the Close button prompts you to make sure that you want to exit the current log session. Clicking Yes will return to the network view. Clicking No will return to the log data screen. The Setup tab provides many adjustable parameters. The various fields allow the engineer to add site-specific information, such as the client name and address, date and time settings of the innSIGHT and network devices, and server's contact information. The User Access tab allows modifications to the user access passwords. Accessing the Notifications page provides the engineer the ability to email up to 3 contacts in the event an alarm occurs. This feature requires an email account and internet access to function. Once configured, the email function can be tested by clicking the Test Settings button, which will send a test email to the recipient. The Commissioning tab provides a graphical status of innSIGHT's resources. Any area that is approaching the resource limits will be indicated by a red bar graph. To find out more about this product or any other Innotech products, please visit the Innotech website.